In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money online without paying anything. Basically, you can make money without investing any money at all. So you can make affiliate commission. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So watch the video until the end. I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I upload one video every day. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial. Basic idea here. We're going to give away this free ebook. And we're going to insert our affiliate link inside. I'm going to show you where you can share it and how you can make money. But this program is one thing amazing that we are not going to promote any health niche or technology. We are only targeting make money online. So here you can see this ebook is about affiliate secret, about affiliate marketing. So you have to go to this website called Wealthy Affiliate, and you have to join this website. If you want to become an affiliate marketer, you need to join with wealthyaffiliate.com. I put my link in the description. Go and check it out. You can register with a free account. Some of the lessons are free. You can see online entrepreneur credit certification. This is completely free, and I think they have a 30 different tutorials inside that you can start doing. Okay, you can get this certification. Now, there's a other program that you can learn inside about how to do affiliate, how to build a website, how to promote your affiliate offers. For that, you need to upgrade that you can see for the $19. But there's a free resources inside that you can learn. But we're gonna use Wealthy Affiliate to promote to other people, and we can earn commission. So here, that you can see, they have two different programs. Premium is $19 per month, or Premium Plus is $49 per month. Again, if you go to their affiliate page, this is the affiliate page where you're going to get your link here. This is your affiliate link. And if you come down to bottom, that you can see, yeah, if you refer 5 people per day and they sign up for premium upgrade, so they say around 12%, and they stay there with Wealthy Affiliate for 4 months, and you can make around $1,458 per month as a referral income. So we can do the calculation. So say for example, if you bring 10 people per day, and they say for example 8 people for sign up for that, and they stay with this website for 5 months, and you can earn around $2,594, guys. You can see $2,594. So in minimum case, just say you bring 10 people, only 2 people sign up, and they're going to stay for 5 months, and you can earn $600 in commission there, guys. So people are looking to learn about affiliate marketing. So instead of promoting scam crew courses, you can promote Wealthy Affiliate. They are here for more than 10 years. You can promote them, and you can earn commission, recurring commission every single month. So I'm going to show you how you can promote it without getting any banned. So what you have to do, you have to go to website like a PLR Free Online or PLR Mine or ID PLR. You're gonna find an ebook that you want to give away for free. After that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click and download that. After that, you're gonna go to this website called Sejda, SEJDA. I put the link in the description, where you can edit your PDF without any issue. So you can use a free version. So click this one called Edit PDF Document. Here you can upload the PDF document. This is my ebook. I open that, and then you can see here, these are the ebook style. So you can see these are the pages of ebook. So here you can insert the link. So if you go to the first page, you can put the name. So in your name, you can put your name. So I'm gonna put my YouTube name, something like that. After that, what you're gonna insert your affiliate link. How you can do that? You can insert that in the introduction part or in the description, whatever that you want to do. You have to insert your affiliate link. What you have to do, you need to go to the top of the page. You can say text, link, forum, image, sign, whiteboard, and attach shapes. So you're gonna click this one called text, and you're gonna click here. Any pages here, you're gonna click text again, one more, and you can see here, and you're gonna type basic sentence like learn how to make passive income with Wealthy Affiliate, free course and full tutorial, something like that, right? So you're gonna click put them in the middle, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your Wealthy Affiliate page. Here you're gonna copy that link, go back to this document, and you're gonna click a link, and you can highlight this text, and you're gonna insert that link here. Okay? So you can erase that part and you can insert that link, and that's it. And if you want, you can put the shapes, something like that. You see, you can put like that here, right? That you can change the color if you want, like going with the yellow. Now what you can do, you can copy and paste the same thing over and over again to different pages. Don't what you do, don't spam the entire articles. People don't like that. So after that, what you're going to do, you're going to click this one, apply the changes, and your ebook will be downloaded. So click this one called the download, and your ebook is downloaded. Now you have to go to the second website. This one is called cofile.io. You can see cofile.io, and you're going to click this one called upload file, and you're going to click this one, click here, and upload the file that you downloaded with affiliate link. There's a recent file, you can upload that, and you're gonna click this one called upload. Now after file is uploaded, it gives the download link. You're gonna copy that, and if you go and paste it in Google Doc in URLs here, it will take you to this page. People can download their ebook for free, guys. Okay, they can download the free ebook, and if you come down the bottom, and if they click this one affiliate link, for example this link this here, it will take you to the affiliate page. I can show you one more time. This is our preview, and if they click this one, and it will automatically take them into the affiliate page. You can do this method with ClickBank, Digistore, whatever. After that, what you're gonna, if you have the link here, copy that, and you're gonna type a basic sentence like this one: I make recurring affiliate commission every single month without any money. This is how I learned. Download the free ebook. So you put the link, you're gonna copy that. So after you copy your answer here, what you have to do, copy that, go to Quora and type how to do affiliate marketing. That's the first question you can see. How can I start affiliate marketing? Over 1,600 people following this page. Open that question, click answer, and you copy and paste it on here, and you're going to click submit. You can do that for different questions. Again, each question will change the answer a little bit. If you copy and paste the same answer over and over again, and Quora will block other answer, right? You can do the same thing with Facebook. You're going to join all these group and pages, and you're going to post it on that over and over again. So they will click and download the ebook, and if they click and join with Wealthy Affiliate, you're going to make commission. And again, you can do with the same thing with Medium, that you can see this person wrote a post about how to do affiliate marketing on Medium, or how to start affiliate marketing. So basically that you can see people are promoting this SEO program, different program inside that. So you can do the same thing with Medium. You can do the same thing with Twitter and other website, guys. You create a content, you can do with the YouTube, and post it to your link. When they click and join, you can make a recurring commission. So in this video, you have to consider 3 websites. First one is called PLR Free Online, or any PLR website that you can get your free ebook. And the second website, this is called Searcher. I can't pronounce that correctly, where you can edit your ebook. And the third one is called cofile.io, where you're gonna share your ebook with you're gonna upload it, and you're gonna get a shareable link. This is the part you are important. You can apply the same method with a different affiliate program, guys. You're gonna promote and without investing any money. When they download those ebook, and when they purchase the program that you're promoting, you're gonna earn affiliate commission, recurring affiliate commission every single month. So this is how you can earn a passive income every single month. So if you understand this video, if you like this video, leave a like and a comment. Also, if you want me to make a video in certain topic, write me that in the comment section. I will do that for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.